Welcome to week two. Last week we defined the project. This week we dive deeper into the core characteristics that set apart the attributes of a project. First, the project is temporary. It has a clear beginning and a defined end. Crucially, the end comes when the project's objective is achieved and when the project is terminated because the goal is no longer viable. Remember, temporary doesn't mean short, it means finite. Second, the project creates a unique deliverable. This could be a unique product, service, or result. Even if you are developing the fifth version of a software, that version has unique features, a unique timeline, and unique team interactions, making the project itself unique. Third is progressive elaboration. Think of it as painting a picture. You start with a broad sketch, that's your initial plan. As you progress, you add detail and color. That's the project plan being refined and detailed over time. You don't know every screw or bolt on day one, but you learn as you go. To solidify this, contrast projects with operations. Projects are temporary and unique, operations are ongoing and repetitive, like the daily manufacturing of a product. Understanding this difference is key to being a good project manager. Finally, all projects must navigate the constraints, specifically the triple constraint: scope, time, and cost. A change in one, say a tighter timeline, will impact the others, perhaps by increasing cost or reducing scope. We also consider quality a major constraint. For your assignment, you will return to your simple project in ClickUp. You need to apply these concepts by ensuring your tasks clearly reflect the project's attributes. Specifically, define the unique objectives, the high level scope, the expected timeline, and any obvious constraints. Take a clear screenshot of your updated task list showing these details.